Alright, hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to try and get that car running. I'm going to go to Supercheap now and get a thermostat housing gasket and a crush washer. Hopefully I can try and find somewhere that sells them because I know Supercheap doesn't. Tried to get one the other day. But the other thing is I finally got my new hoodies. I was going to do a video yesterday explaining how to go into thing on that. But basically just go onto my Instagram, take any picture from my Instagram, put it onto your story, tag me in it. I'll send you a number in DM, and that's going to be a number that will get put into a random number generator. And then probably when I get to like 20 people or something entered it, I will be doing a giveaway for a hoodie like this, but it'll be white, and a white window banner. This is exactly the same as the one I'll be giving away. So it's just got my car in the back, and then just the little thing on the front. That's my one though. I do. So yeah, just so you know, the one I'll be giving away is large, and yeah, it's in all its packaging and stuff. It's not out of it like the one I've been wearing. But I'll also be giving away some of these stickers with the giveaway, and if you buy a hoodie, a sticker will also come with it. And then I think I got 17, but I don't know how many hoodies I got. I think I got 20 hoodies, so not every hoodie that buys one's going to get one, unfortunately. But yeah, pretty much the people that ordered them are going to get one, and the giveaway. And now if you buy one that already have, now you probably won't get a sticker, but maybe in the future. Alright, so we just got our little thermostat housing gasket. Now we're going to go and try and chase up a crush washer. Yeah. So, we think we've done everything, so I'm going to try and start cranking it to prime it all and then try and start it, but pretty sure the battery's dead, so I might have to jump start it or put a different battery in it. But yeah. Yep. Keep going. Hold on. No, there's no coils plugged in now. We've unplugged them so I can see it. Go now.
Cool. Alright. Now the fun part.
He said now the fun part is plugging coils back in. No.
This is gonna be loud. Go.
Alright, so basically I wasn't going to show this because it's kind of frustrating. I've done something wrong when I put it together, so we're now going to try and pull all the timing cover and everything back off. I was going to do it yesterday, and I probably wasn't going to video, but I couldn't find one of these, so I ended up getting one off a friend. And yeah, now today I'm going to try and put it all back together and see if we can get it started. But yeah, with my luck I probably won't, but I'll make sure it starts in this video anyway, so it might be a little bit long. If not, I'll just crop everything I can to try and make it like about a 10-minute video, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, ended up having difficulties with the timing chain, so I stopped the video and that. But now I've got it all back together. Gonna try and give it a bit of a prime and then try and turn it over. But I have to get the battery out of the Commodore first to try and do that. Alright, so as you're seeing, I got the car started finally. This video should be long enough by now, and by the time I get back home it's going to be dark, so I'm going to end the video here. Next video won't be until next weekend or something, because I'm going away for work again tomorrow. And then yeah, that'll just be putting all my intake and stuff back in, and then after that I need to do an oil catch can video and a bags video. So hopefully there should be a few bit of content coming up. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.